Welcome to EMC CAD. Today I have to explain for you how to use point and alignment option in plaque authoring palettes. Now I go to insert option and pick an object. I already created a plaque to this object, so I have to just open this object by using the plaque edit command. Now I have to select the point option from in plaque authoring palettes. I apply that point option in the object for first position. Same to another side also apply for second position. Like that third and fourth side also I have to apply similar method. Now I can close the plaque edit option and I click the insert option. I select that object. Now I have to press the control key. The object will automatically change to position 1. Again I have pressed the control key. The object will automatically change from position 1 to position 2. Which position do you want to place? The position you can select by using press the control key and place in it. If you want a permanent place point, just to open the plaque edit option, click the base point option from in plaque authoring palettes. Select your base point location in this object and close the plaque edit option. Again go to insert option and select the object. Now you have the base point by default. Then you can place it. That's it. Next I will explain about alignment option. Just you can go to the insert option and pick an object. Similar open the object by using plaque editor command. Now I have to select the alignment option from in plaque authoring palettes. Then click a first point in the object and click a second point for the first alignment. Similar to second alignment. Now close the plaque editor. Then go to insert option and pick that object. Just press control key. Bring the object near to line. It will automatically align that line. That's all. In my next video, I will show editing tool options with the command. Hope this will help in getting a better understanding about AutoCAD software. If you have any doubt or anything inquiry related to AutoCAD, please leave a comment in comment section. I will reply to the same. Thank you for watching.